Good afternoon. My name is Robin and this is my channel. I hope you all are well, and I have a Hygge box to open today. This box I think is from, what are we in, October, probably September, August maybe. So once I get into it, I will find out. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like my video and its content, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, you know the routine. You know how much I appreciate your loyalty. I've made so many awesome friends. So thank you, thank you, thank you. So Hygge Box is a lifestyle box. I think it's monthly. The price will be below. I'll have a link if you want to give it a try. So this is, I want to say, a Norwegian box, and it's just full of goodies. But again, I'm so far behind, so please forgive me. I do enjoy this box because it has so many wonderful things, and it has food in there. Yes, I said food. So I enjoy boxes that have food. It comes very nicely wrapped, and let's get into it. So they do put a card in there. Oh, I'm sorry. It's a Danish box. Please forgive me. It's a Danish lifestyle box, and the last time I opened it, gosh, I think it's every 2 months. I'll have the link, I'll have the price, I'll have everything. But what happened is there was a candle in there and it melted. I mean, I went to go put my hand in the box and my finger stuck in the candle. I emailed them, I got a new candle. So their customer service is outstanding. And so they just put a nice little, if you can see it, they put a nice little welcome card in there. And then they have the items that are in the box. And yes, I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to play around with my ring light. Being that I just got back, I haven't put everything away yet, so. And they have my trail mix, so I can't get lost in my house. And the first thing that I take out, oh, it's not broken because I don't know what it is. It is Hygge House Scandinavian Home Decor 10 LED lights. Oh, how cool. You know I'm not going to be able to organize this. I would love to be able to hang these from my backdrop. Wow. Okay. I'm going to have to get the man for this. But can you see? So you can hang them. I can hang them behind my curtain, and then they light up. Wow. See, this is why I like these kind of boxes, because this isn't stuff I go looking for, but if it was given to me, well, in a box, I would so enjoy it. So we got these, and let's see if it's on this card. And I think I got the deluxe box. There's a couple kinds, and again, I got this off of Crate Joy, so you can go on Crate Joy. I don't know if you've ever been there, but they have so many boxes. They have lifestyle boxes, they have boxes for kids, they have bath boxes. They just have so many wonderful boxes. And I don't see it on here, but they don't give retail prices. They just give you a box of lifestyle. And then the next thing is hand cream, Floral Garden. And you can't have too many hand creams or sanitizers or masks. They've been coming in almost every box. So I'm enjoying that. And of course, I'm ripping open every box. but just the, look at how pretty that is. You can see that. That is beautiful. So, enjoying that. Those lights took up so much room in my box. Then we have, oh, the Garden Patch seed paper. Okay, so never heard of this. Garden Patch herb. Place garden patch on any bare spot in the garden or patio container. Cover lightly, water, and soon an herb garden will grow. No. Not sure if that's going to work out here. Contains 5 garden patches. Includes 5 round garden patches to plant in 5 separate spots or pots. Wow. And it even shows you how to dig a garden for people like me. So how cool is that? And it says on here, I did see that the garden patch is a quick and easy way to fill a bare spot. But I don't think it's gonna work on the dirt that we have growing in our back. But this is totally awesome. I do like that. Might have to send it to the family. Oh, velvet hibiscus edible tea. Okay, edible tea. Okay, I've not heard of that before, but anxious to try it. Okay. Two times the fruit as 1 cup of 100% fruit juice, no sugar added. I will try these and let you know how I liked them. Then we have Complete Treats, cherry almond, gluten-free, plant-based superfood cookie. I told you there's food. Oh. And it looks like there's a bowl. Ooh. Bowl Mango Wood Mini Birdland. What a beautiful bowl. See the bird? You can use this for cooking. Put your jewelry in if you don't cook. So wow. And I think there's one more. Oh my goodness. I think they're coasters. This must have been kind of like a theme of paradise. And wow. Yeah, these look like coasters. So yeah, I got the deluxe box, so it came with these extras, but look at these coasters. And they're all the same, but there are 4 of them. These are beautiful. So it actually goes with the bowl. So we got the 4 beautiful coasters, and we got this beautiful bowl. Just make sure there's nothing else in here. And we got our edible tea and our cookie. This I'm excited about, but I can't use. You can plant 5 herbs. Oop. We got this hand cream that goes with the theme of the box. And this is my favorite. I'm gonna have to decide if I want to put them outside. We have like a bar that goes outside when we sit outside, and this would look really cute above that bar. So I might have to put them out there. So let me know what you thought of this box. As I said, they come up with such creative items, and the price will be there below, and it also makes a great gift. So with the holidays coming up and people not being able to go anywhere, it's just a nice gift to send to people that you know. So I really liked it. Let me know what your favorite item was. And as always, you guys have an awesome day. And don't forget to subscribe.